Say you have your power pruner and you want to replace this blade, it's very, very simple. Here's the new blade. So basically it goes into the slot and then the screw goes through there. So this one is completely shot. I mean, it can still cut, but when you're doing a heavy cut, it won't. It's dull, it's bad. So we're gonna just replace it. Link in the bio, but very simple. Go on the side, take this screw out right here with the number 5, goes in, just take it out. Now you're gonna see on this end, there is a nut, a lock nut. Put your finger on there like this. That way you can keep that nut in there, right? Take this screw out. I should have gone a little bit further. Now, all you're gonna do, take this piece out. Now there's a little slot. You're gonna have to have this out a little bit. Take the new one, put it in there. It's gonna go into this right here, right where it was at, right? Now, it's ready to rock. Put the screw back in, very simple. Hold that nut back into place. Take this, spin it until it's locked in, right? Now that it's locked into place, you're ready to rock. And that's how simple it is.